Starting around 02 September 2023, Theta organization essentially is exchanging at 61 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, Theta fundamentally has a by and large all-out market cap of $612,999,099, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,269,122, in opposition to mainstream thinking. This especially makes Theta organization, Theta, genuinely positioning at 55 in the digital money market in an unobtrusive way. On the off chance that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2023. What will Theta organization essentially be worth in 2023? Which truly is genuinely critical. Is Theta organization a fundamentally wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Theta cost really outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is genuinely huge? These by and large are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future in an especially huge manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2023. As per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Theta cost in a real sense is supposed to commonly cross and in every practical sense, normal value level of 91 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to be 87 cents in an extremely significant manner. Besides, Theta can basically arrive at a greatest value level of 99 cents, which really is very huge. Theta value estimate August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Theta organization truly is gauged to basically be at around a base worth of 73 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Theta organization value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of 82 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 80 cents in United States dollars in a fundamentally significant way. Theta organization value expectation September 2023. Theta organization cost especially is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023, while the by and large normal cost of Theta for the September basically remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may really arrive at any rate worth of 81 cents, while the in every practical sense greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around 90 cents. Amazingly, the exceptionally normal cost for Theta essentially is anticipated to generally reach 84 cents in October 2023. So besides, Theta can truly arrive at a truly most extreme value level of 99 cents in a significant manner. Theta value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Theta organization in every way that really matters is estimated to in a real sense be at around a base worth of 84 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at an extremely limit of 95 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars, which certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge December 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for December 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of 87 cents, while the for the most part greatest gauge cost in every practical sense is around 99 cents, showing the way that the Theta organization value worth can arrive at a really limit of 95 cents, with the extremely normal exchanging worth of 87 cents in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way. The truly normal cost for Theta by and large is somewhat anticipated to explicitly reach 91 cents in December 2023. So starting around 02 September 2023, Theta organization most certainly is exchanging at 61 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.14% in every way that really matters. Most recent 60 minutes. Theta organization pass cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Theta network as cost has shown a very decent increment of 2.34%. As of now in every practical sense, huge way. Theta organization especially is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, which truly is very critical. The Theta in a real sense is down to nearly 4.22% in the by and large most recent 7 days, which certainly is genuinely huge. The coin by and large is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for truly past certainly couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for commonly at the same time. We don't essentially feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Theta really diminished by 47.064%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of 55 cents from its in every practical sense current worth, which explicitly shows that this certainly makes Theta organization, Theta, truly positioning at 55 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a generally excellent most certainly purchase an open door for fundamentally speedy venture, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 41.84%, and the cost truly flowed from an in every practical sense least beautiful normal cost of 97 cents to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $1.06 in the essentially beyond 90 days in an exceptionally significant manner. Theta organization in a real sense is somewhere near 18.70%, with the truly most extreme certainly normal cost of the coin most certainly was around 78 cents, and the base really normal cost of especially was around 76 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Theta organization value estimate 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Theta organization certainly worth in 2023, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking? The Theta cost explicitly is gauged to truly arrive at a really greatest degree of 99 cents, with genuinely least cost of 87 cents, toward the finish of 2023. So Theta organization value expectation September 2023, Theta organization cost in every practical sense is supposed to reach between 79 cents to 86 cents in September 2023. While the fundamentally normal cost of Theta for the September essentially remains around 82 cents. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge October 2023. The Theta organization, Theta, cost for October 2023 may truly arrive at a genuinely least worth of 81 cents, while the genuinely most extreme determined cost certainly is around 90 cents. Exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Does Theta organize essentially have a future? As far as value, Theta organization especially has an exceptional kind of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels. Fundamentally further appearance how Theta organization is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, or so they generally thought. It especially is figure that Theta will increment in esteem, especially further appearance how essentially is Theta organization a generally excellent venture or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of huge manner. As indicated by kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Theta organization can truly raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $4.47 till 2030. Which really is very critical. Is Theta organization especially worth purchasing in 2023? Which most certainly is genuinely critical. Theta Network's incentive generally is supposed to in a real